Right, so today I've started streaming a bit earlier than I usually do. 8:45. Let me just try getting my links on to fucking Instagram and all that. Where is my Instagram? Right, so wow, usually I start streaming at fucking 12:30 p.m. UK time, right? Now I'm thinking, do you know what? Maybe I should try switching to London session, which is earlier on in the day, UK time, 8 8 a.m. right, or 7:45 you could say, because that's essentially when I'm streaming. My time zone is UTC plus two, so it's a bit different, but yeah. Right. Just give me a few minutes as I post my YouTube live. Click here to join YouTube live. I think I'm not really doing this the way I should be doing it, but yeah, it is what it is. Right, working. Now I can try going on Kick. Man, I love Kick, bro. Kick is, I mean, it's so straightforward, right? It's such an easy platform to fucking stream on, essentially. Right? It's very straightforward. It's not like fucking YouTube. Plus the latency is such nicely laid out. Can I go live on Instagram? No, I don't think that's a good idea. Go live on Instagram. No, you don't do that, man. To join Kick. I need to choose one platform. Right, I'm not sure which platform I should choose because it's for me it's either Kick or YouTube, right? So it really is a weird position to be in because I'm not sure which platform I want to try streaming on. Maybe I could try streaming on Instagram. Can I do that? Right, it's supposed to be a fucking live. I am thinking of, sell side pressure, but the volume is not looking the best to me right now. I need to sort some things out. It's fine. Yes, boys, we are live right now. Come on, join. We are trading London session, boys. Come on. Come on, boys. I need to see you guys join in. Yes, these. We are trading London session right now. Come on. I really want to take a few. I'm gonna try a few times with this. Yes, boys. We are trading London session right now. Come on, I want to see you guys join in. It does not matter if people are watching, right? Because I mean, at this point, I'm just thinking to myself, do you know what? I need to try sorting myself out, right? So that's just the way it is. This is Kick. This is my platform on Kick. So yeah, I mean, essentially what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to sort these platforms out, right? Because YouTube is pretty straightforward. The only thing about YouTube streaming is it's the latency is not the best. Right, the latency is not really helping. Right, anyways, I want to try looking at the news we have for this week, which is going to be quite straightforward, to be fair. But yeah. So let's look at a 30-minute time frame. In fact, let's do like a proper analysis. In fact, let me get some water first. I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Let me get some water first. We can try thinking about anything else. But my streams are. It's quite weird because I wasn't really expecting it to be the way it is, you know? I wouldn't be surprised if anyone joins because to be fair, this was kind of sudden, you know? So, I need to work on my marketing, man. That's what I need to work on. Work on my marketing. Watching me kick. Nope, no one is watching me kick, right? So, what we do that this is, do you know what? Let me So this is a platform for meme coin trading, essentially, right? But the good thing about this platform itself is that it provides me with real time um, analysis and real time news and outcomes and all that bullshit. That happens in real time essentially. So it's providing me with all of that. You know, so that's something great about this platform. I mean, if it starts working, that is, which it is not at the moment. No. Right. So the daily time frame is sort of bearish. But we've had a few hundred pips movement down here. Right, so what do we have here? Got a very certain type of formation happening, right? Which is it's safe to say it's very I've seen it quite a few times and it is sort of risky, a bit on the riskier side, right? If I open a 30-minute time frame, you can see that we have this kind of formula here with no lower wick, which is under normal circumstances position you do not want to get into. So that's just what I'm thinking right now. We have been ranging, so yeah. I mean, let's see what happens. Just gonna wait it out a bit. So yeah, why is this not working, bro? Here we go. Come on, let's see it working, bro. Come on. This is not. It has to do with my internet, though. I'm positive. Yeah. Do I have to use my fucking? Um, oh right. Oh, because the streaming isn't it? Yeah, makes sense. Watch me kick, no, watch me kick, no, watch me YouTube, right? Is what it is. Early morning streaming, not the best thing. I'll tell you that. Israel one fall into the zebra. She okay. Okay, shit is happening in the world. Come on. But I love this. What is you? I love this setup. It gives me like real time news and everything, literally, man. It's like a nice coin. One card. This coin really pumped it up, man. Watching. It's fine. We have dealt with that in the past, right? So it's like this, big down, big up. Could it be a buy? Could it be a buy, people? The hourly candle is closing like this. It went up, but then it rejected, right? Which is a weird position to be in. So am I seeing proper setups? No. So should I be trading? No. There we go. So yeah, man. I mean, essentially no trades, no nothing. Oh, it should get in news. Right, what is happening? Good morning. Oh. Oh, I think that's the people. Yeah, my fucking laptop is shit, man. I can't lie. Sheesh, I'm loving this, man. I'm loving this setup. I'm loving the setup. Like this is wow, man. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Right, so what do we have here? Could we go for this? I mean, it's a weird position to be in, though, isn't it? It's a weird position to be in because I don't think I'm gonna be doing that anytime soon. No. Yeah, volume. Right, so we is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna draw these levels out. I don't want to be stuck in a range. I don't want to be, I don't want to have to pay for being too early or acting on impulse, which I mean, they are essentially the same thing. Oh, that could be something. This could be no, nah. I'm not gonna. This is exactly what I'm trying to avoid. I'm not trying to act on impulse. You know, I'm not trying to jump in a position while I'm not ready for it. Yeah. I'm not gonna do that. No, just gonna wait for something to happen and then boom. Anyways, I mean, see, see how fucking bipolar the charts are, man. So fucking bipolar. Like, yeah, you can't even tell, bro. You can't even tell. It is what it is, though. I need to start working on my marketing, though, or fucking advertising, whatever you want to call it. But I need to start working on that because there's literally no one watching me. Mm. And I know the fuckers that I know, my fucking classmates and all them fuckers, they don't even watch me, bro. I can't be asked, though, I mean, but it's a funny position to be in. It's like, bro, like out of all the people I know, I would expect you to at least not even if watching, but pop in every now and then, say hi, pop in a message or something like that, and just be nice about it. But got these motherfuckers ignoring me. Israeli maritime. Ooh, oh, this could be big, man. Where the fuck is oil? I don't have oil here. No, what's the symbol for? It's something else, but okay. Yeah, shit. Oil is gonna be fine, bro. Right. Yeah, man. I could do. Yeah, could do. I mean, it's quite possible for it to just fucking fly now. You know. But hey, I've never traded oil. I don't want to concern myself with that. Oh, this looks like nah. See, so this is essentially what trading is. You have to wait for certain setups. You cannot just come into the markets and expect to get a winning trade, all of a sudden. You need to sit in front of the charts for multiple hours at times, you know, just trying to find a proper setup or something. That's just the way it's always been. This is trading. Fucking boring ass job. But hey, if it makes you money, it makes you money. You know what I mean? Right, there you go. I think that's my cue to enter. Enter with a very small lot size right now, if I may. I really don't want to enter, I can't lie. Because then again, you need to have certain confirmations to enter, They've not had any of those. Right, what do we have here? Well, why's my fucking laptop not even? I need to get a new laptop. Anyway, oh shit, okay. Could be bad positions. So my bias is so my bias is not bias. Right. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay out of it for now. Maybe a fourth IDF Battlefront. Hey, I mean, anything can happen at this point. I wouldn't be surprised if it does. Pushing certain platforms, no? Right. Uh, so it is what it is, man. Do we have? Could be a buy. This could be a buy, though. I can't lie. I'm sure. I really wanted to stay out of it, but just for the sake of giving this knobhead pushing the head is. Then try jumping in. I'm just gonna go get my creatine shake, right? Because man's been working out recently. Let me get my creatine in. It's gonna be right back. Let's take a look at the chance sometime. Close off. 256. Oh, big numbers, big numbers. What are we saying? Man, this is. I'm really fucking tired right now. I can't lie. Tired of doing nothing. Tired of waiting. Right, tired of waiting. That's what it is. Damn. Trump is, bruv. This guy is such a bipolar person. You know what I mean? Most made for no reason whatsoever. Right, underrated. What the fuck, man? Damn. Alright, it is going on. Yeah, but no, I'm not gonna be doing any of that without certain confirmations. Cause there's no point. Like I said, there's no point. Mhm. Asian session has had. What the bruv? The fuck? What is? Yo, why does this keep on happening at the worst times? Like why, bruv? I'm just so tired of this. Yeah, I need to get used to the London session. I've not traded the London session in such a long time. I think the last time I traded London session was like 2 months ago. 2 months is a lot these days. Even 2 weeks is a lot these days. Price action can be completely different in like a week and a half. So imagine not trading a certain session for 2 months. Nah, you're fucked. I could have certainly stayed in that position, but the thing is, it's such a weird position to be in because you don't really have a trend. I like trading with a trend. I don't like trading with ranges. I don't like any of that bullshit. I've only ever traded with the trends, you know? Do you know what I mean? So, yeah. gonna get my creatine in because I don't think anyone's watching. Yeah, no one's watching. Is there anyone watching me on Kick? Right, certain person who's watching me on Kick. Thank you for watching, but pop in a few messages in it. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the thingy. There we go. Right, just gonna wait. Gonna get my creatine shaking. Nothing special happening. So what do we do? Take it easy. And I just don't fuck with the session. Just don't like it, man. Just don't like it. I don't know. It's just the way it's always been for me. I've traded the London session. It's just my experience with the London session is not the best. Maybe it's just that. So you need to do certain things more. Got me a buy. Oh shit, man. Damn. Nah, I'm not gonna. No, there's no chance I'm gonna be jumping in a position like that. There's no chance. Let's see, isn't it? 30-minute time frame, this could definitely be impulse buys, right? You know what, yeah. Let me just go to the 30-minute time frame real quick. I want to see if this makes sense for me. If it makes sense for me, maybe I'll think about it. Right. Right, let's see, isn't it? Let's see. Fucking creatine in my system. Let's see the 5-minute time frame. If there's any closures? No. No closure. Nah, this is not even making sense. This is not even making sense. I don't know. I think just a weird position to be in. I think it's already been done. You know that I was waiting for. It's already done, so there's no point in me waiting for something else to happen. But hey, it could start fucking gapping up. That's the way it is. Could start gapping up. Yeah. You never know what's gonna happen. You never know what's gonna happen. It's just the nature of these precious metals and commodities and all that bullshit. Bro. You never know what's gonna happen. You could be one day you could make fucking thousands, and ever you've lost everything you made. It's very normal. Right, I think I'm. Nah, you know what? Nah, never mind. It's not making sense to me. It's not making sense. How does it? Oh, man. Yeah, London session. I'm not liking. I'm not liking the price action, man. Not a fan. Nope, not a fan. Right, fucking hell. Okay. Right, so now it goes off. Amazing, 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 amazing. So I was kind of right, but hey, I'm not used to the session. I'm not used to the volume. I'm not used to anything that this session has to give. So I'm not going to be risking anything. No chance. Barely anyone watching. Barely anyone. Wow, man. Look at the fucking charts. Look at the fucking charts, bro. Could have been easy. Fucking 70 pips. 60, 70 pips. Damn. It is what it is. It is what it is. Not gonna be crying about that. It's just what it is. Gonna stream for 35 more minutes. Try to see if there's any certain setups we can form, and then maybe I just fucking dip, man.
मेरी छुट्टी है ते किस टाइम टाइम मिले और फिर कॉल करके पैसे गाड़ी में चाहिए ठीक है चल सही है मेरा करीब है ना ओके अल्लाह हाफिज़ चलो सोंगा तो उसमें है ना ये और चलो ठीक है अच्छा जी मेरी छुट्टी है ते किस टाइम टाइम मिले और फिर कॉल कर वहीं पे पैसे ला जिन्हें चाहिए ठीक है चल सही है मेरा करीब है ना ओके अल्लाह हाफिज़
Right, I need to figure out new ways to be doing this, man. This is boring. This is boring. Okay, I think we have, I have a certain idea now. Yeah. So if the next candle forms bearish, right, at this point or anyway, we could certainly come down here and just keep pushing down in case we don't have any news or anything weird happening, right? So I'm just gonna wait for some bearish confirmation and then we'll. I love football, man. Right, someone is watching. This is such a weird place to be in because I mean I should have told um, you guys on my stories that I'm going to be streaming London session, which is essentially how many hours? They roughly, roughly 5 hours before my usual streaming time, which is 12:30 p.m. Right, and right now I started streaming at 7:45 a.m., which is slightly different. But hey, I need to get used to this because I think it's a better idea to start streaming a bit earlier on in the day. I would suggest so. But yeah, I'm not used to this volume. That's just what it is. So that's why I haven't got any trades in. Not at the moment. No, nothing. It's just because of volume. That's the thing about London session. We don't have any significant volume. Essentially when you trade in the London session, right? We don't have any decent volume. In New York session, you have fucking mental fucking volume. Right, we've got hundreds of pips. Say for example, some 15-minute candles, there would be multiple um, pips in the sense that they might even be over 70 to 80 to 90 pips, which is abnormal for a 15-minute candle. At least when you look at it from the perspective I had a year ago, but now it's totally different now, isn't it? Yeah, I mean, at this point, it's just me waiting because I'm trying to find a nice setup, which is I don't think it's very likely because of the volume. So, like I said, buys above this level, sells below this level. But if we have a bearish candle forming right by this resistance, we could possibly aim for the push down. Or even if this candle forms bearish, we could aim for some sort of push down. I'm just gonna wait right now. I'm gonna stream for 25 more minutes, roughly 25-30 more minutes. And yeah, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna be going. I'm gonna be running. I'm gonna be running afterwards. I need to see if my what am I even watching? So this is my first um London session stream, so please don't judge me if you're watching. I'm gonna be quiet this stream. I'm not gonna be talking. No, I don't have the fucking caffeine in me to be talking. I need to get some tea in the system. Yeah. Tons of stuff. I hope people don't know. Right, who's watching me? Please leave a message. Let me talk to me. I'm this early in the morning. I'm trying to get active, but there's literally no one popping in a message or something. So you can't really expect me to be talking to myself this early in the morning. Even though I have been talking to myself. Right, so gonna wait for a bearish candle to form. Hopefully, then we could start pushing down. Man, fuck Messi, bro. Ronaldo is the best. Right, no messages, no nothing. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be waiting, man. I don't know what to talk about. Oh, I do have a you was messaging me. Right. Do you trade meme coins? No, I do not trade meme coins. No. I don't I think it's not how do I put this? It's not the best ways to earn. You can make a lot of money, a shit ton of money trading meme coins. 100%, 100%, right? But I think the thing about it is when you're making a lot of money, someone is losing money as well now, isn't it? I might be wrong because I mean, to be honest, I have no idea what meme coin trading is like. You know. Mm, man, I love gold. I love gold. Right, there we go. There we go. Come on, let's see it, man. Let's see it. Right, there we go. Irish candle forming. Told you, man. Told you. Right, so if this works out the way I want it to work out, next candle should wick up, wick down, boom, we enter. Right, with volume, of course, with volume is what I'm expecting. Just feels right, my friend. Yeah, I would love some fucking tuna right now. I've actually got tuna, eat tuna every single day. But is it a good idea? Let me look that up. Because it's so fucking boring right now. Literally no one is watching me or nothing. So might as well just talk to myself. Is it fine to tuna every day? Oh shit! Damn! What the fuck? I should. Oh, I shouldn't be eating tuna, bro. No, you should not eat tuna. It says. Is it safe? Yeah, trying for a baby. I'm not going to be trying for a baby that time soon. Ooh, what happens if Mercury goes in? Oh, there you go. Oh shit! Exactly. Oh damn! This is not nice. Too much mercury in your body. Let me see that. Muscle weakness and twitching. Poor condition, difficulty walking, loss of balance, memory problems, trouble concentrating, and cognitive decline. Nah, I don't have any of that. Insomnia. No, I don't have insomnia. Nervousness. I don't know. I am not shy, my friend. I am not shy. No, I am not shy. No, not in the slightest. Right, so this is. What should I do here? This is not really helping because I don't usually look at 5 minute time frame, but let me look just this once. Right, I'm in for cells. Let's see. You know, let's just see what happens. That's that's essentially what I'm looking at. You know, trying to. But then again, there's no point in me waiting because wait, let me if I go to 30 minute time frame. Because we do have this level here which is very confusing. You know, so I might be just yeah, man. I'm very confused. I'm very confused to say the least. Short position. Oh, a short position here. Right. I mean, let's see. It's because essentially, I mean, I've never traded the London session before, right? So I don't know what the volume is like. Maybe it's gonna be proper, maybe so. Right. So if it breaks above its own high, right, I'm out. I'm out. So the stop loss is very well set up. It's not gonna be a big deal, right? This is just the way it is. I'm not bothered. If I lose this position, I'm not bothered. But it doesn't. Nah, it doesn't make sense. You know. I think I should probably get out because you know, this is not making sense. Not to me, no. I need to get some caffeine. Get some caffeine in the system. Stuff was just slightly close. Should I place it here? Could I though? I don't know if I could, because it doesn't make sense now, does it? Because this is, let's see how this kind of reacts at this level. Maybe we could think about where we could place our TP. Right, I'm not gonna hit breaking right now, but I don't mind. Look, if this rejects, I do not mind because I've placed in such a position which even if it takes me out, it's not gonna be a big loss for me. You know, it's not gonna be too much to handle for me. It's just gonna be straightforward, right? So I've got in case this comes back to my entry point, you know, I've got something in mind. Right. Uh, it's a weird position to be in. It is. It really is. Because there's so many. Right. Think about this. Level here, level here, level here. Low volume, right? New York, I would understand. Apart from that, no, I don't know. So, just gonna place it here. I'm out. How many pips is that? That is a lot of pips. I'm telling you that. Right. It comes here. I'm out. Comes here. I'm out. Right. Also gonna do real quick. I'm gonna do this. Right. Which only makes sense. Should I just close it? I could just close it because it's not. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on. Smash it. You're already almost there, man. You're already almost there. Why are you playing with me like that? It's actually is around here. Come on, man. Bruv, got me fucking barking. It literally fucking touched. Bruv. Wow. This is a joke, man. What a joke this is. You got me fucking barking. Barking like Ash's feet. You got me moving like Ash's feet on this, man. Right, I'm out, I'm out. Boom. Alright, so that is good enough. happy with that. Yeah, yeah, I'm happy with that. I don't. Right. So essentially, I think it was like around a year, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, look at that. Amazing. This is not the best of trades. I can't lie. This was a very mediocre trade. Because a better thing would have been to wait for it to close here or wait for it to close here, and then I could have. But hey, let me just post a video real quick. Right. Yes, sir. That is how we do it. I think that should be it. Um, Thank you so much for watching. If there was anyone watching, if there wasn't, like, bruv, can't be asked. I think I should do better with advertising and making sure that people know that I'm going to be streaming and all that. But thank you for someone, whoever is watching me on Kick. I don't know who you are, man, but thank you for watching.